Those were the things that mattered to me. And look at me now. Like, if you don't know the things that you actually want for yourself and in detail, you're never going to be able to attract them. And then let's go to wealth. Wealth is one that I love journaling and actually envisioning. Back then, and I'm gonna give you two scenarios. Like back then, when at that time it was, I did not want to have to work to go work for a check anymore. I did not want to feel financially stressed. Like I didn't want to be, oh, it's the middle of the month. How I'm going to make it these next 2 weeks. I was tired of that. I didn't want to be on payday loans anymore, or car title loans. I didn't want to do those things anymore. I didn't want to have to pun stuff anymore if I needed money. I wanted to always have enough money to make it through the month and then have some left over for when I get my next check. Like that was the thing that I was envisioning at that time. Now, when it comes to my wealth, I want to be able to donate so much amount of money to charity every year. I want to be on different boards that's helping people. Also, with wealth, I want to create my own clothing brand. I want to wear my stuff. I want to embody completely who I am at a wealth level. Like, those are the things. And the reason why I shared you the two on the wealth is because whatever you may be wanting for your life right now, you may not want it a year or two from here because you may already achieve it. And then it's on to the next goal, progressive. And remember, the definition of success is the progressive realization of a worthy idea. Progression never stops. Like, that's one of the hidden keys of success. Progression never stops. Quit giving yourself an end point and give yourself extension points. Whenever you reach a goal, now extend it out. What's the next thing I want? Take a step, breathe, relax, compliment yourself, celebrate yourself because you reached it. And then you start asking yourself and look around and look at use your perception and look at everything around you. And you start looking like, okay, what more do I want for myself?